some stories.
Sorry, dear. I have a meeting right now. Can we do it at bedtime? Evelyn, don't worry. Diya can help you.
Who is Diya?
Surprise! Diya is our reading buddy, a digital assistant in the form of a human tone. Go and explore Bolo. Both of you will have a great time.
Thank you, Mummy. Let me introduce Diya to you as well. Read Along is a kids app developed by Google. It is a speech-based reading tutor app designed for children above 5. It has stories in many languages, including English and Hindi. Let us explore Read Along. Read Along is called Bolo in India. You can get the link to download Bolo from my channel description, or you can get it from Google Play Store. Take help from your parents to install it. What are you waiting for? Read and collect stars. Oh my god, there are lots of stories. Let us read one. Okay.
Tap your photo. Library.
Am I looking like Diya?
Let's read. Playground.
Tap on Diya if you want her to read the full sentence.
If you need help, tap my photo. We want to go to the playground. Now your turn to read.
We want to go to the playground.
Excellent, you read very well. Very good.
While reading, if you want any help on any word, click on that word, then Diya will read it for you.
Read how. How.
How do we get there?
Excellent, you read very well.
While reading, if you miss any
Read aloud.
word or read it wrong, Diya will underline it. We could ride a taxi. For every correct word, you will get stars. We could drive a big car.
Excellent, you read so fast.
There are games too.
Jumbled up. Choose a level for the game. Jumbled up. Drag the blocks below to spell this word. V. T. H. Th. E. V. Correct. Spell 9. N. I. N. N. E. 9. Excellent, you spelled all the words.
See, I scored 88 stars. That's how Diya became our reading partner.
Stars.